Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me know if it is your first time here. Please join me. Let's prepare okro stew. Authentic African okro. Our okro is on fire and we are adding our sliced onion. After adding the onion, we will stir it for some time for it to mix up with the okro ball. Okra is very healthy food. You can try it. It is very good for digestion. After that, you will leave the okra for it to be cooked well. Then you can add all the ingredients that you want. Please help me by following my page for more videos like this. Let's start by preparing the stew. After that, we will add our okra. The okra is off and we are starting the main stew for the okra. So our pan is on fire for us to prepare the stew. So you will put in red oil. We mostly use red oil in preparing okra stew for it to be so colorful and nice, and it is very healthy too. So you will put our sliced onion in the fire for it to give it flavor. After that, we will put in our dry fish. That's very dry fish, pepper, and any other ingredients you want to add, and you will wait for it to cook
Cooking in
well
Africa,
before
local
adding
roast too.
the okra to it. Then you'll be stirring it so it's fully cooked. So you can add your other meat and other ingredient. We are adding additional pepper to it because the pepper is too small. So our okra is almost done. So you add all the necessary things that you want to add, like Maggi, that's seasoning, to it. We add salt to it. Our okra is done. Now you can serve it with any other food that you want, especially banku, kukunte, and any other food. Thank you for watching my video. Please, I would like you to follow me, like my video, and I wish to see you next time. Bye bye.